Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Soundcore Sleep A20 Earbuds. Designed specifically for those who struggle with sleep and need a comfortable solution. These earbuds promise to enhance your sleep experience with features tailored for bedtime use. Let's see if they live up to the hype. Starting with design, the Soundcore Sleep A20 earbuds look and feel premium. The case is a matte beige pebble with soft touch plastic and a brushed metal logo. It's quite large but remains lightweight, making it easy to carry around. For side sleepers, comfort is crucial. The A20s feature ample rubber padding around the earbuds to cushion your ears' sensitive areas. This design minimizes discomfort, even during prolonged use. Now, let's talk features. These earbuds prioritize bedtime functionality over everything else. They lack active noise cancellation and a microphone, which might be a downside for some users. However, they compensate with a through-earbud alarm and customizable sleep-aiding noises via the Soundcore app. The tap controls on the A20s can be a bit finicky, often registering unintended taps. Despite this, you can customize them through the app, which adds a layer of convenience. One of the critical aspects for sleep earbuds is noise reduction. The A20s rely on passive noise reduction methods, including rubber seals and noise masking sounds through the app. However, in real-world tests, they fall short for light sleepers, especially in noisy environments. In terms of sleep performance, these earbuds excel for helping you drift off. Users reported positive experiences with immersive audio aiding their sleep. However, some discomfort may arise after several hours of use, depending on individual ear sensitivity. Moving on to sound quality, the A20s prioritize sleep functionality over audio performance. While they handle low frequencies well in quiet environments, high frequencies can sound tinny, making them less suitable for music outside of bedtime use. Battery-wise, they offer decent performance with up to 14 hours in sleep mode and around 10 hours in Bluetooth audio mode. The charging case extends this significantly, making them practical for overnight use. To wrap it up, the Soundcore Sleep A20 earbuds are a solid choice for side sleepers looking for comfort and bedtime functionality. However, their limited noise reduction capabilities and average sound quality outside of sleep contexts might not satisfy everyone. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.